Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export an email signature from Figma to Gmail. This is perfect if you want to create a professional custom designed signature that stands out in your emails. Let's get started. First, open your Figma application. Once you're in, go ahead and open a file. At the bottom of your screen, look for the Action button and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Plugins and Widgets. This is where you'll access the tool we need for creating email signatures. In the search bar, type Marca Email Generator and click on it when it appears in the results. Then click Run to launch the plugin. This tool makes it incredibly easy to design and export professional email signatures directly from Figma. Once the plugin opens, click Create a new project. This will set up a fresh workspace for your signature design. Next, click on Signatures to access the signature templates available in the plugin. Now you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Browse through them and find one that matches your style or brand. When you've found the perfect template, click on it to open it for editing. You'll now see the template displayed on your screen. This is where you can customize it to fit your needs. Edit the template and input your information such as your name, job title, phone number, email address, and any social media links you want to include. Take your time here to make sure everything looks polished and professional. Once you're done editing, look to the left side of the screen and click on the template of your email signature. This selects it for export. Then on the right side of the screen, click the plus icon beside export. This will open the export options. You'll be prompted to choose a file type. You can select either PNG or JPEG depending on your preference. PNG tends to work well for email signatures because it supports transparency. After selecting your file type, click Export. A dialog box will appear asking you to input a file name. Choose a name that's easy to identify, like email signature, and click Save. Your signature image is now saved and ready to be uploaded to Gmail. Now head over to Gmail. At the top of the screen, click the settings icon, which looks like a gear, and then click See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings menu where you can customize your Gmail experience. Scroll down until you find the signature section. This is where you'll add your newly created email signature. Click Create New to start setting it up. You'll be asked to input a signature name. This is just for your reference, so choose something simple like primary signature or work signature. Then click Create. Now click the image icon in the signature editor. A menu will appear, and from there click Google Drive. Then click Upload. This allows you to upload the signature image you exported from Figma. Click Browse and locate the image file you saved earlier. Select it and click Allow to give Gmail permission to access the file. Your signature image will now be inserted into the signature editor. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. And that's it. Your custom Figma-designed email signature is now active in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.